Howdy, this is Anthony Ellis with South Coast Controls in Anaheim, California. What I'm going to walk you through today is a system that was designed, fabricated, programmed, and integrated by the South Coast Controls team for a completely automated cell using a FANUC robot. Here, the system is working with and communicating with a FANUC robot controller. And what I'm going to speak to now is some of the items on the outside of the control panel. The enclosure is used via Hoffman. It is equipped with fans and vents that are used to dissipate heat throughout the system. We have a convenience outlet on the outside from Phoenix, and then we have gland plates from Icotech on the other side of the system that are used for the incoming power and communication lines. Additionally, we have integrated in an Allen Bradley panel view HMI, and as you can see here, there's already some graphical features that are programmed in by our programming team. Internally in the enclosure, most importantly, is the Allen Bradley GuardLogix PLC that is used for safety. You'll see some safety components up here, a gate switch, so when this door is open, complete power will be killed to the system, as well as other limit switches throughout the system, and an e-stop that can be used to kill power. We also have an Allen Bradley power supply, Allen Bradley relays, Allen Bradley breakers, and Allen Bradley push-to-connect terminal blocks. Last but not least, we have an Allen Bradley load switch that can be used to kill power to the system. If South Coast Controls can be of any UL control panel support, please reach out to our website at southcoastcontrols.com.